Hello, welcome back. I hope by now we all know what a battery is, but today we might not be talking of a battery that you know. We are focusing on a specific type, which is a solar battery. Subscribe to this channel and you will receive a notification each time I post a new video on YouTube. Welcome back. We are still moving ahead with our topic, the solar system installation. In my previous video we covered a topic on solar panels being a component of a solar system. Today we are looking on solar batteries as a topic. We have the power produced by solar panels, fine, but we need to store this energy for use during the time when we experience low or no meaningful radiation. That is during the night or during time of rainy. That is during days of autonomy. Please note, a battery does not generate electricity but stores energy. One cannot do justice by not mentioning terms like capacity, depth of discharge, state of charge, and cycle life when talking of solar batteries. There are two types of batteries: the deep cycle and the shallow cycle. The shallow cycle is not recommended for solar use due to its weak properties. Deep cycle batteries have heavier leads with higher density active paste material and thicker separators. Deep cycle batteries fall into two distinct groups, that is the flooded and the valve-regulated lead-acid battery. The valve-regulated lead-acid battery has two types: the gel and AGM. Batteries can be connected together in different ways, either in series, parallel, or both, depending on the size of your desired battery bank. When batteries are connected together, they form what is called a battery bank. Parallel connection sums current and voltage remains the same, while with series connection voltage is summed up and current is kept constant. This implies that in a battery bank do not mix batteries of different age, model or capacity. Thank you for watching. We meet in my next video.